And some more breaking news coming in just now. The Tricolor shoe has been insulted by a Chinese shoe company. The Tricolor is on shoes. The shoes are on the Tricolor in Dharamsala. There seems to be a controversy brewing now with those visuals coming in from Dharamsala. It's a Chinese shoe company that has made these shoes with the shoe boxes being wrapped in the Indian Tricolor. So this is coming in from Dharamsala. Reactions breaking out on this story. Take a look.
ये मामला जो है हमारे ध्यान में एक पेपर के माध्यम से आया। उसमें एक न्यूज़ छपी थी कि कोई शॉपकीपर जो है वो जूते बेच रहा है डब्बों में जिसपे कि नेशनल फ्लैग बना हुआ है। तो इस पे हमने तुरंत कार्रवाई करते हुए प्रिवेंशन ऑफ इंसल्ट टू नेशनल ऑनर की सेक्शन 2 के तहत जो है केस दर्ज किया है और इसमें एक व्यक्ति को गिरफ्तार किया है और कुछ जो शूज के बॉक्सेस हैं उनको कब्जे में भी लिया है।
Vandana Sebastian joins us on the phone line right now. Vandana, what are the details of this case? It's a Chinese shoe manufacturer who's come up with boxes labeled around the Indian Tricolor.
Well, this incident has come to light in the Kangra district in Himachal Pradesh, and the superintendent of the police in Kangra has said that a ban has now been imposed on the sale of these shoes, which are reportedly manufactured by a Chinese company. The boxes of these shoes reportedly bear the Chinese tricolor, and at face value, made in China is very visible on the shoe boxes, which is why it's been narrowed down to a Chinese company. And as of now, we have no preliminary reports at this point, so there's no specific action that will be taken apart from the ban that has been imposed on these shoes at this point.
All right. There has been, of course, that case registered against the Chinese shoe manufacturer. Who exactly is the case against? Because if it's a Chinese shoe manufacturer, it'll have to be taken up at a higher level, perhaps even the MEA. A police FIR doesn't mean anything for China, but who exactly is the case against?
Well, this will definitely become, a case that is definitely going to be blown up because of the fact that, China is involved in it. Where the shoes are concerned, on the shoe boxes very clearly says made in China. The shoe boxes bear the Indian tricolor, which of course is highly disrespectful to the Indian flag. A case has been registered and a ban has been imposed on these shoes. It is unclear as of now as to, what the details of this case exactly are and what are the details against whom it has been registered, etc. But there's been a number of sections undoubtedly imposed, including, the prevention of insult to the National Honor Act is all likely to be, taken into account when the case is filed.
All right, there you go. The story coming in from Dharamsala, where a Chinese BJP leader joined us, Shobha Karangde, on the phone line right now. Shobha, your reactions on this? A case has been filed against these people who are selling shoes wrapped up in boxes made up of the Indian tricolor.
Here is a shocking news and humiliating for India and also Indians. Actually, I'll directly talk to Home Minister and take action against that company and sack that company from India.
It's a Chinese shoe manufacturer, and the boxes are also very clearly labeled made in China. Do you think this is a deliberate slight, or this could have been, and I'm guessing here, their unawareness really of how Indians treat their flags and how important the tricolor is for us?
Yeah, they're actually in borders also they are creating problems, and also inside India they are humiliating us. And our Indian government, and also I urge Himachal Pradesh government, the Home Ministry of Himachal Pradesh should take immediate action against that company.
All right. Sudha Ramalingam also joins us right now, senior lawyer there. Sudha Ramalingam, this peculiar case coming in there, Chinese shoe manufacturer putting up Indian tricolor shoe boxes there. A complaint has been lodged. Your reactions on this?
I feel that it definitely looks like an insult, but we don't know what.
Putting up Indian tricolor shoe boxes there. A complaint has been lodged. Your reactions on this?
I feel that it definitely looks like an insult, but we don't know what their intentions were. I have always felt that this particular act itself seems to be a very, very weird act. You see, as far as the United States is concerned, we see the flags being printed left, right, and center on everything.
Right.
And they do not think that it is an insult. Having said that, our laws, of course, feel it as an insult. And if it was done with intent, I think there is every possibility for prosecution.
All right. Do you think the MEA should get involved and take up the issue? Because we don't know yet whether it's a deliberate slight or an otherwise one. It could have been really, I mean, I don't want to bat for the Chinese here because I also feel insulted. But the fact is that they could have been unaware of how important the tricolor really is, and perhaps our customs in our country. Shoes are normally associated with something we keep below.
Yeah, absolutely. You are right. This could... as a matter of fact, it could even affect inter-country relationship. So it has got to be handled with care. Definitely, MEA will have to be involved in it, of course.
All right. So do you think the government should take it up with the Chinese or not? Or do you think it should be handled at the local level where a case has already been filed against some people there? I don't know if it's about the Chinese company, because the Chinese company wouldn't really conform to Indian law.
But Chinese company which is operating in India, as far as its operations within India is concerned, would be bound by...
They've been banned. They've been banned. That's what we understand.
Yeah.
That Indian operation has been clamped down upon. We'll also listen into one more time for the reactions coming in on the story. Take a look.
ये मामला जो है हमारे ध्यान में एक पेपर के माध्यम से आया। उसमें एक न्यूज़ छपी थी कि कोई शॉपकीपर जो है वो जूते बेच रहा है डब्बों में जिसपे कि नेशनल फ्लैग बना हुआ है। तो इस पे हमने तुरंत कार्रवाई करते हुए प्रिवेंशन ऑफ इंसल्ट टू नेशनल ऑनर की सेक्शन 2 के तहत जो है केस दर्ज किया है और इसमें एक व्यक्ति को गिरफ्तार किया है और कुछ जो शूज़ के बॉक्सेस हैं उनको कब्जे में भी लिया है।
These are visuals coming in from Dharamsala, where a shoe manufacturer based in China, a Chinese company that is, has been giving out shoes wrapped up in boxes that have the Indian tricolor on them. Now, a case, as was being described, has been registered against the Chinese company under Indian operations for an insult to the national flag. And the BJP MP we spoke to also said that she would speak to the Home Minister about it. Of course, what is important is to get to the bottom of the story there, that whether or not the Chinese company did this deliberately. Is it a deliberate slight, in which case the MEA should take it up, or is it considered, or should be considered, a one-off event? In the event, of course, that it is insulting, perhaps sanctions can be levied against that particular Chinese company. That, of